Contagious Delta strain on the rise across the U.S. According to the CDC, the variant accounts for 10% of COVID-19 cases in the country and is growing at a rapid rate. But is Utah seeing the same trend? ABC4's Haley Hendricks live at the Utah Department of Health telling us about the virus's impact on us here at home. Haley?
Emily, well, anytime a variant begins to circulate throughout our communities, public health officials at the Utah Department of Health tell me they're concerned a mutation's rapid growth could cause more severe illness, hospitalizations, and even death. The Delta variant of the coronavirus is the latest mutation, and public health officials say it's beginning to take hold in the United States.
We know it's more transmissible by studies coming out of the United Kingdom.
The Delta variant was first detected in Utah on April 8th. Since then, 300 cases have been identified.
At this point, isn't our most abundant variant. That's still going to be the Alpha variant or the UK variant or B.1.1.7. But we're keeping an eye on it. It is increasing, at a pretty good rate.
The Centers for Disease Control reports the variant is 40 to 60% more transmissible than the UK variant. Kelly Oakson, the Utah Public Health Laboratory chief scientist for bioinformatics and next-generation sequencing, says he wouldn't be surprised if it becomes the dominant strain in Utah by fall.
You see introduction, and then you quickly start seeing a pretty dramatic increase in number of cases.
Health officials say the COVID-19 vaccines are highly effective against the Delta variant. And as long as people continue to get the shot, Oakson does not believe the mutation will impact herd immunity efforts.
We definitely want to have enough of the population vaccinated that we reduce transmission. That's the total goal, right? So will having more people infected impact that goal? No, we still want to get, vaccination is the easy way to get, to prevent spread of virus.
Well, again, public health officials say the COVID-19 vaccines do remain effective against all 6 known variants that are here in Utah. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Haley Hendricks, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Haley. So how prevalent is the Delta variant? Well, according to the CDC, the Delta variant accounts for 9.9% of U.S. cases. Health officials say it could be the dominant strain in the U.S. within the month. So how effective are vaccines against the variant? The fully vaccinated seem to have good protection against it. But if you received the first dose of a 2-dose vaccine, it will not work against the Delta variant. Still ahead, the